that you have taken a sportsman's spirit and entered into this particular quiz. So it's time to earn one more certificate, and which is going to increase the size and weight of your curriculum vitae, which is the ultimate objective now, because ultimately everything is going to be digital and to be shown digital. So best of luck, all the best, and do and perform well. I'm sitting here and listening to you. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your wishes. Okay, so let's move on to the rounds. As we have received the wishes and blessings from sir, the first round is none other than Ye Jo Desh Hai Mera. Irrespective of, it is being said that we are a global citizen, but while we are being a global citizen, while we are striving to be a global citizen, our primary and all-time favorite destination will be our country only. So when it comes to knowing your country, then only you will be able to serve your country. So this particular round is about that. This particular round will be talking about general informations about India and something that you should all know. So we will test you. This quiz will test you on these parameters. Some basic rules of this quiz. Every team will get 3 questions. This is going to be a quick round. 3 questions to each team, and every answer you have to give within 10 seconds only. You will not be given, let's say, 30 seconds or more than that time to talk about it. Each correct answer will give you, obviously, 10 points. And the first answer that we will receive from the team will be considered as final. Please make sure that you listen to the questions, you listen to the answers properly, and then only to the options properly, and then you should give the answers. Next is that once the answer is given, it cannot be changed. Please make sure that once you have given the answer, it cannot be changed. And wherever even I will feel some sort of confusion, if there will be any dispute, then our 2 judges, Professor Oves Qureshi and Professor Naren Sadhwani sir are here. They'll make sure that everything will be proper and in alignment. Once again, I'll repeat the groups. And by verbal confirmation, please quickly tell me, Shikha Gupta and team, you're here?
Yes, sir.
Satyam and team, Satyam and Shubham, both of you are here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Aneet and Samrit are here?
Yes, sir.
Aditi
Yes, sir.
Bajpai and Mohammad Akbar?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Masumi Mafe and Kirti?
yes, sir.
Both of you are here, right?
Yes, sir, we are here.
Okay. Ashish and Akshay?
Yes, sir. We are present.
Manish and Vishal?
Yes, sir, we are.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Great. So this is your groups, and this is your group numbers as well. Please take a note of your group numbers as well, because in coming time, you will be having to do something about these group numbers only, right? So please note it down somewhere. What is exactly your group number? I'll quickly repeat. Shikha, group number 1, Satyam, group number 2, Haneet, group number 3, Aditi, group number 4, Masumi, group number 5, and Ashish, group number 6, and Manish, group number 7. Question for group number 1. So Shikha and Jayant, please turn on your video quickly. Your audio and video. Rest everyone, please keep your audio and video turned off. Shikha and Jayant, quickly turn on your video. Okay. And our judges will be taking care of this. So please make sure. Okay. You both can unmute yourself. That is not a problem. But as I told you, the first answer from the team will be considered. Okay. So please make sure that you are having a perfect blend. You're having a perfect teamwork, that no one is rushing towards the answer. Over here, there will be a question that will be displayed, followed by 4 options. This is something that you have experienced in the semifinals as well. Okay. Look at the options. I will be reading out the options. And once I'm finished reading out the options, then you will have 10 seconds to answer. Last time, many of you have missed this chance that in a thought that you might be wrong, you didn't answer. But let me again remind you, you do not have any negative marking. Okay, so please attempt very, very carefully. So here we go. Group number 1, this is your question number 1. As of January 2020, India has how many states and union territories? And your options are 29 and 7, 28 and 7, 28 and 8, and 29 and 8. Quickly unmute yourself and then you have to answer. You don't have to type the answer. You have to unmute and then answer. Shikha and Jayant, quickly unmute yourself.
Sir, C, 28 states and 8 union territories.
And that is the right answer. Good. Good job, man. Good job. Moving ahead. You need to identify this famous holy city in India. There will be an image and then there will be 4 options. And the options are Nashik, Prayagraj, Varanasi, or Gaya.
Sir, B, Prayagraj.
And that is the correct answer. Good. The last question for this team in this round. In India, how many states and union territories names start with the letter A? And your options are 3, 4, 5, or 2. How many states and union territories names start with the letter A? Five, 4, 3, 2.
Sir, B, 4.
Answer is 3.
Shikha gave the first answer B. And can I have the answers, please? What are the 4 options? Please tell me quickly.
Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, and Andaman and Nicobar.
Excellent. That is the correct answer. Very good. That's the correct answer. Good job, group number 1. Very good. Good play. Group number 2, please turn on your video. Group number 2, quickly turn on the video. Okay. Satyam and Shubham. Same rules. Please be sure that you do not break any rules. Okay. And this is question number 1 for group number 2. We must be very much familiarized with this particular platform. So whatever instructions are being given to you, follow it quickly. Group number 2. So here is your question number 1. The most densely populated state in India. And your options are Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Maharashtra.
Uttar Pradesh.
That's the incorrect answer. The correct answer is C, West Bengal. Moving on to the next question. Don't worry. You need to identify this particular picture and then the options will be there as well. Don't worry. Identify the state which is the home to the richest temple in the world. You can have an image and your options are Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Orissa, Kerala.
Kerala. The Kerala.
And that is the correct answer. Yes, it is the Kerala. Good. The last question for this round for you. Which city is called the Detroit of car manufacturing in India? And the options are Chennai, Pune, Gurgaon, Jamshedpur. The Detroit of car manufacturing in India.
सत्यम डी है शायद. सत्यम.
5, 4,
A,
3.
sir, A is Chennai. No.
And the answer is correct. Yes, it is A, Chennai. Good. Good job.
Thank you.
Group number 3, please. Harneet and Samrit, turn on your video. Your video and audio both, Samrit and Harneet. Yes. So here are your questions. The first question for you in this round. What is the maximum number of seats in the upper house of India, that is Rajya Sabha? And the options are 252, 245, 225, or 233.
Sir, A.
That's the incorrect answer. The correct answer is D, 233. That's the incorrect answer. No worries, no worries. Next question. Which of the following is not a coastal town in India? Please bear in mind, not a coastal town in India. And the options are Surat, Kolkata, Vishakhapatnam, Vellore.
D. Vellore.
And that is the correct answer. Very good. Good job. The last question for this team, for this round. Identify this mountain range recently added to the UNESCO World Heritage Site. You need to identify this mountain range, and this was in the news. Very popular place. And the options are Satpura, Vindhya, Sahyadri, Aravalli.
Satpura.
That's the incorrect answer. The correct answer is C, Sahyadri. No worries. There are more rounds. There are more rounds. Don't worry at all. Group number 4, please turn on your video.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And here is your question number 1. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? And the options are K2, Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest, or Nanda Devi. Highest mountain peak in India. Five.
Kanchenjunga.
And that's the
Mount
correct
Everest.
answer. Akbar,
Kanchenjunga.
please bear in mind, we will be accepting only one. And yes, your colleague is correct. It is B, Kanchenjunga.
Okay.
Next. The Constitution of India gives every Indian all the below basic rights except that of, now there will be certain rights, and out of them, one is not correct. And your options are right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, right to constitutional remedies, and right to protest.
Right to protest.
And that is the correct answer. Right to protest is the correct answer. Good. Last question. The smallest state in India in terms of area is, and your options are Sikkim, Meghalaya, Goa, Tripura.
Sir, Goa.
Goa.
And that is the correct answer. Yes, Goa it is. Group number 5, please come on the screen. Good job, group number 4. Group number 5, Kirti and Masumi. Okay. So here is your question number 1. The famous Royal Bengal tiger is found in the world's biggest delta-made forest, popularly known as, and your options are Krishna, Bhattikarnika, Sundarban, or Kukum.
So it's C, Sundarban.
And the answer is correct. Yes, it is C, Sundarban. Next question. And this was in the news recently. The line divides Tibet and the northeast region of India is popularly known as. Now you need to identify what this line is known as. And the options are Alfred Line, McMahon Line, Clive Line, Mountbatten Line. The line that divides Tibet and the northeast region of India.
Masumi, I think it's D.
Five, 4, 3, 2,
It's D, sir.
1. It's Mountbatten Line.
Yes.
That's incorrect answer. That is not the correct answer. It is B, McMahon Line. This was in the news past couple of months. The last question for this team, this round. He replaced Mr. Ranjan Gogoi as the 47th Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India. And he is Deepak Mishra, Jagdish Kekar, S.A. Bobde, T.S. Thakur.
Option C, S.A. Bobde.
And that is the correct answer. Good. That is the correct answer. Group number 6, please.
Yes, sir.
Ashish and Akshay. Good. And the first question. You need to identify the city also known as the Steel City of India. And the options are Rourkela, Bokaro, Bhilai, Jamshedpur.
Sir, D. Jamshedpur.
And that's the correct answer. Yes, it is the Jamshedpur. Next question. How many members can be nominated to the Rajya Sabha by President of India? And the options are 8, 12, 10, 14.
Sir, C10.
That's the incorrect answer. The correct answer is B12. Last question for you this round. Which Indian city boasts of having the world's longest railway platform? And the options are Gorakhpur, Bilaspur, Kharagpur, or Mumbai CST.
Sir, A. Gorakhpur.
And that is the correct answer. Good. Team number 7, please. Manish and Vishal. Team number 6, please turn off your video. Team number 7. Vishal, you're still not visible. Yes.
Sir, am I?
Yes.
I am.
Okay, fair enough. So this is question number 1 for you. Who among the following appoints the governor of the state in India? Appoints the governor of the state in India, and the options are Prime Minister, Parliament, President, the Council of Ministers.
Sir, it's C, the president.
No, sir.
Manish.
The answer,
I think
Manish, as I told very specifically, the first answer will be taken in consideration. Okay? You can discuss, but once the answer is given, it cannot be changed. And the answer was given as C, and that is the correct answer. Yes, it is C, the president. Next. The state emblem of India, pictured below, is in, this is the image, and where is it situated? Sarnath, Sanchi, Lumbij, Bodh Gaya.
Manish, any idea? Sir, I guess it's A, Sarnath.
And your guessing is correct. Yes, it is A, Sarnath. And the last question, which city is popularly known as the Silicon City of India? And your options are Hyderabad, Pune, Gurgaon, Bangalore.
D. Bangalore.
That sums up the round number 1. That was good. That was a good round. Few of you excelled, few of you, okay, fair enough. This is just a warm-up round, right? Because in round number 2, let me tell you that this is a very unique round that we have come across. And over here, there will be 2 very different set of questions. Now, first set of questions will be order. Now, order क्या है ये मैं आपको समझा देता हूँ. आपके पास 4 options आपको सामने दिखेंगे. And it will be as good as you must have seen in KBC, fastest finger first. There will be a question, और उसके बाद उसके 4 options होंगे. और जिस तरह का सवाल पूछा गया है आपको उस ऑर्डर में उस क्वेश्चन को अरेंज करना है. ठीक है? Please bear in mind that over here you will not be writing the complete answers. I'm again explaining, you will be only writing options. For example, if you will find that the correct sequence to this particular question is A, B, C, D, So in the chat box, you will write A, B, C, D. You will not be writing the answer, because if you write the answer, it will take some time, and then we will not be responsible for you not getting the scores. Okay. So when it comes to order, right? Please nominate one person from the team who will be attempting this question, the order. This round is a mashup. That's the reason why this is known as mashup. There will be a couple of questions of order, and then there will be a question on crossword. In crossword, you will be given 1 minute time. There will be a crossword that will be there on the screen. The question will be there, and then you will be given 1 minute of time. Okay. In that particular 1 minute, what you can do is you can have answers, you can search all the possible answers, and then in the chat box, by the end of 1 minute, I will give you the announcement that yes, now submit the answers. And within 5 seconds of my announcement, all the answers should be submitted in the chat box. Any late submissions beyond 5 seconds will not be considered, because then it will be something else. Okay. So every correct answer of crossword will give you 5 points. Okay. And let me tell you one very exciting factor. In crossword, in this round, you can earn up to 190 points, 190 points. So strategize this thing very carefully. Who will handle the order answers, and who will give the crossword answers? Okay, I'll ask team wise that who will do what. In order, let me explain you once again. You need to order it as per the questions that will be given. And the first one who will give the answer will get 10 points. The second one who will answer correctly will not get any point. But in crossword, that's not the case. As much as you can answer, that is not a problem. And every correct answer will give you 5 points. Okay. So my question now to the teams are, team number 1, Shikha and Jayant. Who will give the answers in order, and who will give the answers in crossword?
Sir, I will give of order.
Jayant, you will be there in order, and Shikha, you will give the answers of crossword, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Satyam and Shubham. Satyam, Malviya and Shubham.
Sir, Satyam will go for order, and I will go for crossword.
Okay. Shubham, you will be giving the crossword answers. Wonderful.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Harneet and Samrit.
Sir, Hardeep.
Sir, I will go
the
for
order.
order, and Harneet will go for crossword.
Okay.
मतलब पहले आप कर रहे हो?
Aditi and Akbar.
Sir, Akbar go for order, and Aditi go for crossword.
Aditi will go for crossword, and you will go for order. Good. Masumi and Kirti.
So Masumi for order, and I'll be for crossword.
Okay. Ashish and Akshay.
Sir, I will go for order and Ashish will go for crossword.
Okay. Manish and Vishal.
Sir, Vishal is go for order, and Manish will for crossword.
Okay. Okay, now this is going to be one exciting round, right? And the first question is on order. Okay. So, Jayant, Satyam,
Yes, sir.
Samrit, Mohammad Akbar, Masumi,
Yes, sir.
Akshay, and Vishal, please turn on your video quickly. You need to turn on your video, all of you. There will be a question. In that question, what you need to do, how you need to arrange, everything will be written very, very carefully. Okay. Then there will be options. The first one to give correct answer will get 10 marks. I hope this is absolutely clear to everyone. Okay. This is basically fastest finger first revised. Okay. All the best for second round. And here is your question number 1. Starting with earliest, arrange the following Avenger movies chronologically in order of their release. Starting with the earliest. And the options are Avengers Endgame, Avengers Age of Ultron, Avengers Infinity War, and Marvel The Avengers. And the first answer that we have got is from Jayant Kushwaha. And the sequence that he has suggested is DCBA. That's the incorrect one. The second answer is from Satyam Malviya, DBCA. And Satyam, that is the correct answer. Very good.
Sir, second is from me.
Satyam Malviya. Yes.
Sir,
Yes,
Akshay
sir.
Ratnani. Second.
Sorry.
नहीं sir.
Yes. Is there any confusion in that?
Sir, after Jan, I have given the answer that DBCA.
As per my stats, I can see that it's Jayant, then Satyam, then Akshay. The judges, what you can see, and the scorers
Sir,
as
it
well.
is Sir Satyam.
No, sir. It's Jayant only. First answer.
The first answer is Jayant, and after Jayant has given the
Sir,
incorrect answer.
as per us, it is Jayant, which is wrong. After
Yes.
that, the right answer is Satyam. And
Okay,
after
and
that,
then
it
it's
is
Akshay. Okay, let me reconfirm once again. The judges, if you can please check from the chat box that the first answer is incorrect from Jayant. The second answer that you have received is from
Satyam.
the judges. Please, if you can. Qureshi sir and Sadhwani sir, if you can just reconfirm this.
Satyam.
It is Satyam. Okay. Akshay, there might be some glitch on your end, right? So the answer is given from Satyam, and that is the correct answer. Okay. Moving to the next one, and this will again be an order question. So you all should keep your videos on. The next question is, arrange the following powers or dynasties in the order in which they first ruled in India from Delhi. That is, following powers or dynasties in order in which they first ruled in India from Delhi. And the options are the British, Mughals, Chauhans, Lodhi dynasty. The first answer that we have received is, I believe it's from Muhammad Akbar.
Yeah.
The first answer, but the answer is incorrect. The answer is incorrect. The second answer that we have received is from Akshay Ratlani, and he has given CDBA, and that is the correct answer. Akshay Ratlani and team, that is the correct answer. Okay. Now it's time.
Rahul sir,
Yes, ma'am.
Akbar have sent two answers.
Two answers here.
So this is not allowed in this round. So we
मैम
have
मैंने
to tell them.
मैम वो मैंने पहले वाले का दिया था आप उसमें
नहीं, वो first वाले का है वो. Akbar, let me explain.
Yeah, we
That's the
understand
initial
that.
one, yes.
We are sorry for that. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so the teams who will handle crosswords, please turn on your video. Shikha, Shubham, Harneet, Aditi, Ashish, Kirti, and Manish. Okay, so now there will be a crossword that will be on the screen. You need to identify, and that will be something interesting. You need to identify the Bollywood movies that are hidden over there. Before I showcase you the crossword, let me tell you, कोई भी जवाब उल्टा नहीं होगा, रिवर्स में नहीं होने वाला है, ठीक है? Normal जो हम पढ़ते हैं जिस तरीके से, from left to right, from our eyes, from left to right, that's how the things will be, from top to bottom, bottom to top, right? But reverse उल्टे में कोई भी जवाब आप नहीं ढूंढें, ठीक है? वो टाइम वेस्ट होगा आपके लिए, ठीक है? Normally जो crossword होता है वैसा ही होने वाला है. So you need to identify the Bollywood movies from this crossword, and as soon as the crossword will be visible, there will be a timer on my mobile that will be set for 1 minute. I'll tell you that you now have to submit the answers, and you must submit it within 5 seconds of me declaring that now submit the answers. Any delay, will ensure that your answers will not be accepted. Everyone, please kindly mute yourself. You don't need any mic in this particular round as of right now. So everyone, kindly mute your mic, please. You need to identify the Bollywood movies that are here. Okay. Here it is. 1 minute.
Also, they are typing and sending the answers in the chat box.
Oh. This is not how the things. जिसको rules समझ में नहीं आया है, we can't help it. We have 1 minute time. At the end, we will only accept the people जिसने सही तरीके से जवाब दिया है.
Please don't submit your answers now.
You need to submit your answers after 1 minute. You're wasting your time.
Sir, I will consider the answer once you will say the time is done.
Yes, ma'am. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Submit. Ma'am, kindly copy all these answers. Aditi, you have submitted. Aneet, there are only 3 answers. What should we consider? I made it very, very clear. Ashish, Manish, please don't send any more answers. We will not be considering any more answers after Ashish's long answer. The answer then in which in the end he has mentioned Piku. After that, no answers will be considered. Last 2 answers of Manish and Ashish will not be considered. The scoring team, if you can please let me know that you have recorded the answers, then only I'll move ahead for the next one.
I recorded the answer, sir. You can go on with the second round.
We can move ahead, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Great. Next question again will be order. So the other teams, please switch. Other team members, switch, please. Switch your video. It will be again order. Okay. All the teams ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And here's your question. Starting with the earliest, arrange these leaders in the order in which they became President of India. Okay. Starting with the earliest. So please make sure you do take care of that. And the options are Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Ramnath Kovind, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee. The first answer that we have received is from Jayant Kushwaha, which is the incorrect answer. The next answer that was given is from Masumi Mafiwale, A, C, D, B. And that is the correct answer. Masumi and team, that is the correct answer. It is A, C, D, and then B.
ऑपरेशनल सेल से लॉग इन होते हैं इसमें नहीं क्योंकि आपका इंडिपेंडेंट को भी दिखाई नहीं रहा ऑपरेशनल सेल लॉग इन दिखा रहा है इसमें
Sneha ma'am, I would request if you can please mute. Sneha ma'am.
ऑपरेशनल का खुला होगा मेरा आईडी इसे आप अपने नाम से रखो
हाँ मैं क्रोम से डाउनलोड ठीक है मैम तो
Okay, we'll move ahead with the second question, and that will be again on this platform only, the order 1. So the question is that starting from the most, arrange the following geometrical figure in descending orders of the number of corners they have. Descending order, number of corners they have. Okay? And the options are triangle, square, hexagon, pentagon. The first answer that we have received is from Vishal Girdhani, and that is CDBA, and that is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. Next question again, it will be order only. And arrange these Olympic athletic events in increasing order of their distance. Okay, increasing order of their distance. And your options are marathon, 4x100 relay, 4x400 relay, and 20-kilometer walk. The first answer that we have received is from Vishal or Akbar, because the timing is the same. I believe it's Vishal.
Vishal.
Yeah, Vishal.
Okay.
Sir, it's Vishal.
Vishal, yes. And the first answer that we have received is BCDA, and that is the correct answer. BCDA, that's the correct answer. Many of you have misunderstood the question. Please. Next question will be on, again, the same platform, the crossword. So please, team members, switch. Team members, you should switch. Okay. And you need to identify the countries that will be there in this particular crossword. You will have, as always, 1 minute to answer. Okay. Everyone, please mute yourself. And
Manish Rupani.
Manish, please mute yourself. There's a lot of background noise coming from your side. Kindly mute yourself. Thank you. You have 1 minute. Don't make the same mistake. Give your answers at the end. Don't make the same mistakes. Just to boost your morale, there are more than 23 countries over here in this crossword. More than 23. You have a chance to score nearly 115 points. And you should submit your answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Submit. Okay. Good, good. Lot many answers. Requesting the team to please take a note of the answers, and then only I'll move ahead.
Done, sir. Done, Rahul, sir. We can move ahead.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so the other team, the order team, please come back. There are 2 more questions for you. The team of order, please come back. We have 2 more questions for you, and that will be the end of round number 2. Manish Rupani, please turn off your video quickly and let your colleague join in. Manish, if you can hear me, please turn off your video. Okay. So for order.
1 minute out, sir.
Last 2 questions.
Manish
Yes.
Rupani अभी switch off किया है, video पर है वो. इसका partner है ये. Manish Rupani देखिए अभी भी single है.
Vishal, please let him know that his video is on. He needs to turn it off.
विशाल आपका partner है?
Yes sir. Let me know. मैं भी मतलब बोलता हूँ सर.
बना करिए. हाँ जल्दी से ऑफ करिए. Next time repeat नहीं होना चाहिए बेटा. बताइए आप उसे.
Okay. So, last 2 questions. This is the last second question for this round. And the question is, starting from the smallest, arrange these birds in increasing order of their average size and height. And the options are ostrich, peacock, sparrow, pigeon. Samrit has given the correct answer. It is not DCBA, it is CDB and then A. Samrit Kaur and team, yes, you have scored the right one. 10 points to you. Last question of round number 2.
Sir,
please.
मनीष रूपानी को देखिए ऑफ नहीं हुआ है. विशाल आपकी टीम डिस्क्वालिफाइड हो जाएगी. Can you hear me?
Vishal, just after this last question, just call him and let him know that he needs to take care of these things. Okay? Just this last question,
sure.
then he'll let you.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. So the last question for this round. Starting from January, arrange these festivals in the order they occur during the year. Okay? From January, the festivals that occur. And the options are here. Holi, Christmas, Makar Sankranti, Diwali. Okay. The first answer that we received, I believe, is from Akbar. And that is the incorrect one. The next answer that we have received is from Vishal, CADB, and that is the correct answer. Vishal, CADB, that's the correct answer. Good. So here we conclude round number 2, and we are heading towards the final round. We'll take a short 30 seconds break, and then we'll come back. 30 seconds only. And my 30 seconds is 30 seconds only, okay? And then I'll be explaining you the rounds. All sorted. And this is the make and break kind of thing, okay? This is literally जैसा लिखा है आखिरी दांव. So the rules for this particular round is, as always, the first one to answer correctly and completely will be accepted. Now by completely, let me tell you, last time के जैसे ध्यान रखिएगा, आधे अधूरे जवाब मत दीजिएगा, because the judges, they do have the answers, the scorers, they do have the answers, and there will be some correct answer to that. So half answers will not be considered as the correct one. Okay, so take couple of seconds more, but give the correct answer. Okay, this will be the game changer. The reason behind this is that every correct answer will give you 20 points. Okay, so even if you are lagging behind up until now, you will have a huge chance to move ahead. Last time की ही तरह और अभी पिछले राउंड की ही तरह एक मेंबर को एक बार में मौका मिलेगा. There will be total 21 questions. So 7 questions will be taken care by one member. Then the partner will change, and then both of you will decide that who will take the final 7 questions. Okay, the first answer that you will give will be considered as final. Okay, and this is again a fastest finger first kind of thing. So you need to type in your answers. Please make sure. Once you will give the answer, there is no change. And for any dispute and all, our judges are here to take care of each and everything. So this is the final round. And for the first 7 questions, can you please nominate one person from your team that who will take care of the first 7 questions? Group number 1, who will take the first one?
Sir, Shikha.
Okay. Group number 2.
Satyam.
Okay. Group number 3.
Harneet.
Group number 4.
Sir, Aditi.
Group number 5.
Sir, Masumi.
Group number 6.
Ashish.
Group number 7.
Sir Vishal.
Okay. Turn on your video, all of you. Shikha, Satyam, Harneet, Aditi, Masumi, Ashish, and Vishal. Only you will keep your video on. Okay? You will not be giving the answers verbally, but you will be typing the answers. Okay? Please make sure of that. There will be certain questions over where there are options given. So be smart and only type the option, not the answer. Right? Complete answer मत लिखिएगा, वहां सीधे सीधे option लिख दीजिएगा A, B, C or D. These are the rules. I'm making it very clear. Half answers will not be considered. Right? All the best, and let's begin the final round. You need to identify this brand. Great. All of you know it. The judges.
Harneet.
Harneet is number 1.
Harneet. The first answer was given by you, Asian Paints. And yes, obviously, it is the correct answer. Asian Paints it is. Good. One of your future recruiters as well. Okay. Question number 2. Reliance Retail has recently bought majority stakes in online pharmacy Dash for rupees 620 crores. Netmeds, MedLife, PharmEasy, Practo. You again are doing the same stupid mistake. Don't. You're wasting your time. ठीक है? क्योंकि आप इस तरीके से करके आपको मालूम नहीं है कि ऑप्शन में मैंने कहाँ क्या रखा हुआ है. It's very good that many of you know the answers. It's very happy to know. But you need to play the game as per the rules. Shikha Gupta, Netmeds. A. That's the correct answer. Netmeds. Next question. Over here, let me see how many of you will be able to search him out. And when we talk about founders, हर image के साथ हर इमेज के साथ देयर विल बी अ हिंट. ओके, सो उस हिंट को पहचानिए, उस फाउंडर को पहचानिए और जवाब दीजिए फिर. Shikha Gupta, the first answer, Larry Page, and that is the correct answer. Larry Page it is, the founder of Google, the co-founder of Google. So now you have tested 3 different kind of questions. आने वाले सवाल ऐसे ही होने वाले हैं, ठीक है? So please bear in mind. Identify the brand. The first answer given by Ashish Dhanwani, Bharat Petroleum, and that is the correct answer. Very good. Very good. We thought that this might be a little bit challenging, but you are proving us wrong, and you are proving us very, very happy actually for this, for answering all these questions. Question number next. You need to select the correct option. Zee Entertainment Enterprise has appointed founder Dash as chairman emeritus following his resignation. Who is this gentleman? Sudhir Chaudhary, Subhash Chandra, Sajeev Goenka, Puneet Goenka. Now you are playing by the game. Very good. And the correct option is B by Vishal Girdani. Yes, it is Subhash Chandra. Good, good. Next question. Identify the founder. Who is this person? Satyam Malviya, the first and the quickest and absolutely the correct. Masumi, Binni will not be considered, okay? It's Binni Bansal. I told you, you need to give complete name. No, the correct answer is Binni Bansal. Yes, Binni Bansal. That's the correct answer by Satyam Malviya. Moving ahead to the next question. You need to identify this brand. Now, let me tell you, there will be certain logos which are a little bit old as well. That's the only hint I can give you. Okay? So please make sure that you use your senses wisely. Okay. Vishal Girdhani, Mahindra, Satyam Malviya, Mahindra. Aditi, it's not Mahindra at all. Ashish Dhanwani, Mahindran and Mahindra. Quickly, jaldi में बहुत सारी गड़बड़ कर जाते हो आप लोग. But it is, as of right now also, it is at many various places. We will consider the first answer given by Vishal Girdhani, Mahindra. The first answer, Mahindra. Okay. Moving ahead. And 7 questions are done. Switch the member. The next person should come in. Switch the member, please. Learn from what your colleagues have done. No spelling mistakes, no nothing. Don't rush. Give the answers. Give options only when there is one option. All in, everyone? Do we have Jayant, Shubham, Samrit, Akbar, Kirti, Akshay, and Manish? You're there. Your screen should be visible. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. So the next question, next round of questions actually, is Hindustan Unilever has rebranded Fair and Lovely as, and your options are Shine and Lovely, Gloss and Lovely, Glowing and Lovely, Glow and Lovely. The answer correctly given is from Shubham Mathil. Yes, it is Glow and Lovely. It is Glow and Lovely. Jayant, don't type in the answer. Don't type in the answer. Only options. Since it had certain options, so you have to mention only options. Okay, next question. Identify this founder. A co-founder, actually. You have been using his creation a lot. No, Samrit, that's the incorrect answer. He's the other member. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Samrit, you already gave one answer. Now it can't be changed, first of all. Judges, by the moment I said done, there was one more answer from Manish Goel, from Manish Rupani as well. Deependra Goel. That is the correct answer, but should we consider this or not? Because the time has been elapsed and we know that how the answers came up.
That is, sir, I think we can consider your opinion.
We can.
Okay. Samrit, since you already gave the answer, an incorrect answer initially, so we will not be considering your score. The next answer that was given was from Manish Rupani, Deependra Goel. That's the correct answer. Moving ahead, identify this brand. And this is something that you all must answer immediately. Okay. So it's not just Birla, it's not just Aditya Birla, it's Aditya B. Birla, again given by someone, Birla given by someone. That's not the thing. Technically, the first correct answer is from Kirti Sharma. That is Aditya Birla Group. This logo is of Aditya Birla Group. So the score goes to Kirti Sharma. Next question. The name of the company, this is a company that is in various stages of negotiation to either buy out or purchase stakes in Urban Ladder and Zivame. Which is that company? Your options are Tata Sons, Amazon India, Reliance Industries, Samsung India. The correct answer is, the first correct answer is from Shubham Mathil. That is Reliance Industries. Shubham Mathil, that's the correct answer. It is Reliance Industries. You all should read an article that Mr. Mukesh Ambani is on a shopping spree. He's buying out many company stakes. That's a wonderful article. You all should read that thing out. Next question. And if you will not answer this question, then let me tell you, you all will uninstall one particular app from your mobile. That is a promise that you all should do. The founder. That's the game. That's the game. I'm asking about the founder. His name will obviously not be PUBG. It is Brendan Green. The first answer is given by Akshay Ratlani, but he has written Brandon Green. The correct spelling is from the next one, who is Manish Rupani, Brendan Green. Judges, what should we do? The spelling is correct on the second one. The answer is correct on both the one, first and second both.
Second one we'll consider because spelling matters.
Okay, so it is Brendan Green. And for all the people who are in crown level or diamond level, if you don't know the answer, uninstall your app immediately. Okay. Next, you need to identify this brand. Couple of time back, they have changed that particular thing. The first answer is given by Jayant Kushwaha. Wipro it is. Correct answer. Very good. Wipro it is. The last question for this slot, and then both of your team members will decide who will take the final 7 questions. The question is, Facebook boss Mark Zuckerberg joins Sentai Billionaire Club along with Jeff Bezos and someone, as his fortune has passed $100 billion for the first time. So he has joined whom? That's the question. And the options are Mukesh Ambani, Bill Gates, Tim Cook, Warren Buffett. The answer is obviously Bill Gates, but Manish, you have mentioned the name that we'll not consider. The first answer technically correctly is given by Mohammad Akbar Khan. He has mentioned B, and that's the correct one. B it is. Yes, it is Bill Gates. Now, decide among yourself for who will take the final 7 questions. Decide among yourself who will take the final 7 questions, and then we'll move to the final chapter of this quiz.
Sir, from our team, Satyam will take.
Just a moment, I was giving you time. Okay, so team number 1, who will answer? Shikha or Jayant?
Sir, Shikha.
Shikha will answer. Okay. Team number 2, who will answer? Team number 2, who will answer?
Sir, Satyam.
Satyam. Okay. Team number 3?
Harneet.
Team number 4? Team number 4?
Sir, Aditi.
Team number 5?
Kirti.
Team number 6?
Sir, Ashish.
Team number 7?
Sir Vishal.
Okay. Same rules, same type of questions. All the best. This is your final chance to win the coveted title of winners of first equiz. This is your first question. Identify this legend. Somebody is still searching for the answer. 2 people are still searching for the answer. You have 5 answers.
Please put your cameras on please.
6. Okay, by the time, now we should not consider any last answers. The judges, we all know that they have, all of them, they have done a spelling mistake. It is actually Jamshetji, S-E-T-G-I. It is not some Jamshed. It is not D. It is Jamshetji. But the first answer that we have got is from Harneet, and there's a massive spelling mistake. It is Jamshed D. Tata. Next answer is from Ashish Dhanwani, that is Jamshed Tata. The third answer is from Satyam Malviya, where he has mentioned Jamshed G. Tata. If we skip the T and D part, then I believe Satyam Malviya answer is the one.
So first we got the answer
From Harneet. He has mentioned Jamshed G.
No.
Instead of Jamshed Ji, he has mentioned Jamshed Ji.
That is incorrect. And the nearest correct is, I think, Satyam Malviya.
Satyam Malviya, correct, sir. Even I believe that.
It is nearest. Yeah.
That's the nearest to correct one. But please, everyone, it is Jamshed Ji Tata. Okay, Satyam. So you have got the score, but please bear in mind, please take care. Now, next, you need to identify the brand, but please take your time in answering the correct one. You have just witnessed that a small mistake costed you 20 marks. Okay? You need to identify this brand, take your time, and then answer. Okay, we have received a couple of answers. Vishal has written the full form of that particular bank, but no, Vishal, unfortunately, that's the incorrect one. Ashish, again, Ashish and Vishal, you have mentioned two answers. Don't refrain from doing such thing. I told you that everyone should answer only one. Satyam Malviya has mentioned IDFC First Bank, and by the books, that's the correct answer. It is not IDFC. There has been a merger. So IDFC Bank, it had a different kind of logo, very colorful logo, if you can remember. So now it has been a merger. It is not IDFC. It is not IDFC Bank. It is IDFC First Bank. That's the thing. Okay. Tensions rising as we are left with only 5 questions. Okay. This is something in the news and you should answer this as quickly as possible. As per the council chairman, Dream 11 will be the title sponsor of 13th edition of IPL. They won the rights with its bid of, now what was the bid? And the options are 212 crores, 200 crores, 222 crores, or 201 crores. Now, Ashish, on one end, he has mentioned both the things correctly. But he has mentioned, but what to do? Actually, the answer is correct, sir. It is C.
C, okay. We'll consider Ashish's answer.
Okay. So Ashish, C, that's the correct answer. But please, everyone, and in fact, Satyam, you too, look, you had the answer. Ashish, even you had the answer. Right? You knew the answer. Everyone actually knew the answer. But we will only consider those who will follow the rules. Right? Next question. A very passionate person. Identify who this individual is. The correct answer is Kunal Bahal, no doubt. The judges, there is a spelling error in the first one. Vishal has mentioned Bahal, B-A-H-A-L. The correct answer is B-A-H-L.
H-L. Yes. The second one, Aditi Vajpayee.
Aditi Vajpayee, your answer will be accepted. You will be granted the scores. Okay. Next, you need to identify the brand that will be coming up on the screen. And it will be a short answer, so be ready. Okay. So, Kirti, Baiju is not the answer correctly. It is Baiju's actually. That too with apostrophe S. But then again, okay, fair enough. So the first answer is given by Aditi Bajpai. The correct answer, Baiju's, that is given by Aditi Bajpai. Vishal, they promote by saying the learning app, but it is not in their name. Okay, so that's the reason why we are not considering this thing as well. Last second question. Okay. RBI has approved the appointment of a person as the next managing director of HDFC Bank, succeeding veteran Aditya Puri. And the options are Jimmy Tata, Hasmukh Parekh, KK Mistry, Shashidhar Jashidhar. Ashish Dhanwani with the option D, and that is the correct answer. Yes, it is Shashidhar Jagdishan. Last question. Make it count, everyone. And to answer this question, you need to revisit your MBA semester 1. You have seen this gentleman, you know this gentleman, right? And you can either mention the full name or the partial nickname that you all must have read. You need to identify this founder. CMTP. Try to remember. Shikha Gupta with the first answer, Fanendra Sama, and that is the correct answer. Fanendra Sama, that is the correct answer. The founder of Redbus. Good job done. Well done, everyone. Well done. Well done. Everyone. This was absolutely fantastic, all because of your participation, the way you have participated, taking time out from the classes, the assignments, the presentations, as you say. But definitely an amazing performance by all of you. By the time the scoring team, the judges, they take care of each and everything, I would request our MBA chairman, Dr. Vaibhav Lavlekar sir, to please, sir, share your experience with all of us, sir. Please.
Thank you, also. It was a fantastic experience, actually, because there were some of the questions for which I did not know the answer, and I was thinking how they are going to answer it, but they really performed very well. Most of the questions were answered by them, and it was really a fantastic experience. Both the quiz which I attended, the last one and this one, was really an absorbing contest, actually. And I could see on their faces that they are very keen to fight it out with each other. So it was a fantastic experience, and I really congratulate all of them. In fact, all those who have participated till now, because this is something which actually takes you out of your routine work and gives your brain some relaxation. And I hope that we'll continue to do such activities, and the students, they'll keep on participating with same zeal in future also. So my congratulations to all of them. And secondly, the faculty team, you have really done a fantastic job. Even though we all know, and I would request all these students also, that we all should understand that there are always limitations of internet and online things, but the faculty team has really done very hard work, and it was a fantastic activity. And this has given us a basis to continue this activity in future also. So thanks to all of you, and I wish you all the best. Keep it up. Keep participating in the activities and do your best. All of you have done fantastically well. Thank you. My applause to all of you. I wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you, Rahul sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And I would like to please request our judges. First, Naren Sadhwani, sir. Please share your experience, sir. Please.
At the outset, I would like to deliver one quote that the champions do not become champions when they win the event, but in fact, they become the champion in the hours, in the weeks, in the months they spent preparing for that event. The victorious performance, in fact, is merely the demonstration of their championship character. It is really a great occasion, and we are all happy to see that our budding management students, apart from their academic studies, they are aware of the things happening around the world. Jumbles of intuitive and interesting questions were asked to the students contesting to test their each aspects of their knowledge in the diversified fields. Maybe current affairs, famous quotes, sports, geography, famous personalities, famous places, science, technology, and whatnot. In fact, highly differentiated sections in the final round made it more exciting and for the students, very thrilling also. I congratulate the winners on their success. It was a really amazing performance you guys have portrayed. I can recall some questions where I guessed up to gaye, but the answers were really fantastic, like recognizing the logo of Times of India, Sun Microsystems, IDFC First Bank, and many more. Really, they were exciting. I thought that up to gaye, but the answers came. Correct answers came out. Simultaneously, I would like to give one message to all students. You are never a loser until you quit trying. You miss 100% of the shots if you don't take them. And most importantly, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Above all, active participation of all the students made the event a grand success. And at the end, I would like to thank and congratulate the entire PEPS team for having designed such a wonderful, knowledge-laden, entertaining, and thrilling quiz contest. I can say that the show was really a super duper one. Kudos to all. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Qureshi, sir, please, sir, your experience, sir.
Yeah, whatever Naren sir say, I 100% agree with him. But once again, I repeat that, I mean, winning and losing is not important, as participation is important. Once your participation is there, right, it's giving you a lot of confidence. Of course, winning is equally important, but if you are losing, does not mean that you won't have the next time. So always next time. The learning which you're happening while you are participating in the event, that is more important. So your first experience, you are participating in e-quiz. I'm sure that you never participated before. That learning will be all the time remembered in your entire life. So that's what I'm saying. Winning is not important. Participating is important. So congratulations, my friend. Everyone who's participated. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best for your future life. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir. It was an absolutely fantastic event only because, no doubt, because of the students participated in everything. But since both of you were here, taking care of each and every small thing, I mean, it was only possible. You brought the discipline, actually, that was much needed, because in the semifinals, even you must have seen, so we all have felt it was a little bit cluttered, but in finals, they were actually working like a thorough professional. And I believe it was the fear of the judges, these very strict judges with a very nice and smiling faces, it was there that they were working on this. Let me share just 30 seconds of my experience before the results will be announced. And results will be announced only if you are interested in that, or else we can call it a day. That is not a problem at all. So while we were drafting the questions, actually, we were actually thinking that, okay, fine, this is something that you must know, right? It was not that we picked up the questions on that we'll challenge you in terms of कि आता है या नहीं आता है. Our only focus for this particular the questions were that these are the questions that you must understand. These are the questions you must know. And on this journey, thanks to all the students, actually, we got this opportunity to create a particular quiz. Thanks to you all, because of the trust that we had on your caliber, on your capabilities, on your intellect, that even we learned a lot throughout this particular process. So it was absolutely great. I would request the team, the scoring team, to please announce the scores or results and
Rahul sir.
Yes, sir.
Weber sir is.
Oh, great. So you will be getting your blessings from the MBA chairman, sir, and nothing better than that. And please always keep this thing in your mind, in your heart, forever and ever, that you were the participants. I'll not just say about winners, but you were the participants of first ever e-quiz, e-competition that was held in IPA. So you were always a winner on this particular front. And in terms of the performance of today's 7 groups, big congratulations to all the 7 participants. And may I please request Dr. Vaibhav Luvlikar, sir, to announce the results. Sir, please.
Thank you, Rahul.
Sorry, sir. All the team members, please open up your videos as well, because that will be a good thing.
I would also like to see their faces.
Please. Turn on your video, everyone, quickly. You all are already winners, please. There's nothing to hide or feel sad about it. Great. Sir, please.
Okay. So, it does not matter, as sir said, who wins and who loses, because for me, the best thing was that all of you have participated. And in fact, you all were excited. I could see your faces when you were trying to answer the question, missing the question, or getting late, like someone else has answered the question. But that is the spirit, because each one of you are together. This is what I believe. So it will not matter, in fact. And though I was not interested in announcing the result, Suja sir, this phone has locked. So I was not interested in announcing the result because I thought that each one of you is a winner. So what do you think? Should I declare the result or should I keep it with me only?
No, but sir, it is customary.
But it is difficult for me because
really very difficult.
So, but okay. So I'll announce the first 2 positions. Can anyone guess what is who can be the winner? नो गेसेस? अरे कुछ लोग तो गेस कर सकते हो कि नहीं कर सकते हो? गेस भी नहीं कर रहे हैं लोग, बताओ। इतने सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर के मेरे से एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं दे रहे हैं लोग।
सर चैट बॉक्स पे अब आने शुरू हो गए।
ओके
जी सर।
ओके, हाँ तो कुछ लोगों ने तो शायद करेक्ट आंसर किया है, मुझे लगता है इसमें। ओके, सो द हाईएस्ट स्कोर इज 180 and the team which has scored this mark is Satyam and Shubham. My congratulations to both of them. They've done very well. And the next score is 170. And that is for the team which consists of Shikha and Jan. So my congratulations to them too. These two teams have secured first and second position in the first ever e-quiz of Hyper. So in fact, all of you are pioneers for this thing, and you've given us food for thought that how we are going to conduct in the future also. I guess that's it. Rahul sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Right.
Many congratulations to all. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Many congratulations to all the participants, and little bit extra congratulations to the winners of today. You did very, very well. And let me communicate something to all the participants actually who are here. The scores that we have seen, I mean, this is what the battle of the best is known as. There were 3 teams scoring the same thing, 145, 145, 145. There were 2 teams who have scored exactly 120, 120. So this was something that was, even we couldn't thought that this is something, this will be this much narrow. But definitely, many congratulations to Satyam Malviya, Shubham Mathil, and Shikha Gupta and Jayant Kushwaha. You did absolutely fantastic. My sincere thanks to Chaitanya Shiksha Samiti, the parent body of Hyper, who always gives us such opportunities, such platform where it is a learning experience of 360-degree level. My biggest gratitude to our group director, sir, Dr. Amarjeet Singh Khalsa, sir, who made us think about different avenues in which we can make this particular thing happen. Thanks to Vaibhav Lavlekar, sir, who is always present to help us out, to guide us, to mentor us how to do something, to all the things in absolutely better manner. To all the faculty and staff who has helped us in shaping up this particular quiz. Our thanks to the judges of the day, Professor Oves Qureshi, sir, Professor Naren Sadhwani, sir, the team who was there, who was making sure, who was working in the background, but who was the backbone of this particular quiz, Professor Prasija Menon, Professor Sujoy Singh, Professor Sneha Shukla, and above all of you, all the students, starting from that 72 groups of registration till this particular end, you all have done fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Our best wishes to all of you. Thank you, everyone, and have an amazing, a great day. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.